My name's Steven Grieve. I own GPS and Guidance Solutions. We're based in South East Scotland, near North Berwick. We market Sveverkin global products. I was actually born into a farming family. It was part of my grandfather had a small holding, and farming was sort of in my family up until I left school and went to agricultural college. So again, working on the farms, we were always working with machinery, grass machinery. My father then had a gardening business as well, so I was used to the sort of gardening side of it, and obviously the tractors on the farms. So we're in mid-season just now. This is a hub of operations for both my main one is the gardening business, but also we can use this as an installation centre for the F100. The farmers are very forthcoming to technology. Some of the older generation may be slightly more reluctant, but the younger generation to sort of middle-aged generation, they do embrace the technology because they can see the benefits of it.
Well then, my name's Richard Dove. We're a mixed farmer in East Yorkshire, and just a bit of review on your Sveverkin auto guidance, how Ollie's been using it this morning. He's been mowing grass for a customer, and all in all, very, very pleased with it. We've fitted it to it's a steering wheel one, and we fitted it to the Class Arian 650, and we've also got a wiring loom in this 8040, what we do our every draft work with. Very pleased. I ain't had much to do with it, but lads, our Oliver and Phil are very, very pleased. I mean, I have used it and I do like it. But they do most of the tractoring. They just make the job, it makes their job a lot easier. And it takes realistically about a quarter of an hour, 20 minutes if you're nice and careful, to swap the system from tractor to tractor. But no, very pleased with the product, and the guy who fitted it, Steven from GPS Guidance Solutions, very professional, tidy job. Very pleased. He said he's always on the end of the phone to give us a hand if we need him in future. We
have two collaborations with YouTube farmers, namely Dove Farms on YouTube and Joe Seals on YouTube. We have fitted F100s to both of these farmers' equipment. Richard Dove has an easy change kit, so he uses it between two tractors. You can see the installation, you can see their opinion of it, and you can actually see the job that tractor does in the field or whatever he has. The F100 is very competitively priced, and I find it brilliant value for money, to the point where I actually own these two demo units. I paid for these myself, and they're used day to day in my gardening and ground care business. So I have two running, and I have no problem maybe putting a third one in. And that's us ready now, so what we'll do is we'll reverse back. Go on the machine, start it up. Press the RTK button, and it's now going to take us to its line. As you can see, I'm not touching anything. The F100 has a really good system where it teaches you as you go on how you can use it. So if you need to install a new tractor onto it, it actually tells you what to do, it tells you where the measurements are, it tells you what you need to do, and it tells you exactly how far to do it. So it actually teaches you as you're going, and not very often you actually have to go to the instructions because it is very self-explanatory. It's been very positive actually. They're very welcoming. They do answer relatively quickly. Sometimes weekends might have to wait, a few hours, but 9 times out of 10, every problem we have, or anything that may be a question I can't answer, and I'll be very honest with the customer, if I can't answer that, I will find a technical assistant who will help us. They have always delivered, they've never failed to deliver on that. This is our workshop area. It is a bit of a mess, but we are mid-season now, so we can normally repair and service 90% of our equipment, but also because the premises are quite large, a customer can bring a vehicle to us and we can fit the F100 here. The way things are going, automation will in some degree take over. There is a shortage of manpower for whatever reason. A lot of people don't want to work in agriculture anymore. It's not the easiest of industries. It can be quite harsh, it can be hard work, long hours. Looking at what some of the manufacturers are coming out with now with regards to automated equipment, I can see a farmer almost having 3 automated machines in a field, and he is in the office controlling those. I think maybe 15, 20 years down the line, that will be integrated alongside humans operating machinery as well.